we're gonna be going back to my first love. And I definitely shouldn't have done that. It's just a mess. It's just a mess. I tried again. Give it another shot. I believe in you. Hi, it's Kaycee from 10 out of 10 and welcome to another video. So for today's challenge, I'm actually gonna go back to my first love. My first love, which was fashion. When I was younger, I always had an interest of wanting to become a fashion designer or something in that industry. I'd be making dresses out of scarves. I even had that box set with the plastic shoes and like all those dresses. I love dressing up. And even in high school, I took a design course so I can learn more of the basics. I was even ambitious enough to be making my own prom dress. So these are just some pictures of that. And then here's also another dress. So I had an interest in it, but it kind of just went in the back burner when I focused on other things. And so I'm gonna take another shot at it and gonna try making a dress. You're gonna join me along this journey and see if I remember anything. By the end of it, will I make a dress? We will find out, but something will be made. So I already did some research when I was looking into making a dress. I searched up videos of how to make one and also a kind of inspiration I wanted to do. I actually found this dress from House of CB that I really wanted to replicate and see how I can do it, but also do the combination of doing a corset because it's really in trend right now. All of the patterns I found are from mostly YouTube or online articles. I'll definitely link them in the description below. It is a combination, so kind of adjust it to how you would style it. Yeah, so let's start it off.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet.
I think one of the struggles already is that the pattern is for someone that's a size 2 and I ain't that. So I'm gonna see, it is gonna be a lace front, so basically something you can tighten, so it's a little more adjustable, but I'm still gonna go with the measurements but just add a little more width and see how that goes. So I found this fabric from my grandma. She also does sewing and that's where we got the sewing machine from. And so I am gonna try my best. It's kind of like a pale pink linen. I'm gonna try my best to get on the first try with all the garments because there's a lot of it, but not enough that I think for mistakes. So we will see. And I might end up making a dress out of a bed sheet to get that linen effect because I do not also want to go fabric land to get more fabric. First cut, I am so nervous. We're gonna leave a little bit of allowance. First cut, let's go. Oh my god, this is not the best scissors. These are the worst scissors actually. I am gonna go get other scissors. So I tried to cut corners and not make this circle skirt into a circle, so it turned into a square skirt. But I realized I can't do that because if I put it around me, it becomes a whole different length, or like that style, which I don't want. I want same length. So I do have to in fact cut corners. So take 2 on this. I'm gonna try again.
Yeah, yeah. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in, show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window, show the whole city all yours. Let me put us on display. Yeah, I'll shout it from the roof.
It's been a couple of hours, but I saw the top. This is how it looks like. I added like a little elastic to make it more a ruche thing. I don't know if I want to make it into a corset or not because that's extra work. So the first one didn't turn out that well. I messed up a lot. You can really tell in the pieces that I cut corners. Like, a lot of things are uneven, and I think I was just trying to improvise and mix and match patterns, and it just didn't work out. So I just went and tried again to make something smaller, less ambitious in the dress, but at least a small corset belt that's been like really popular on TikTok and everything like that. And so I tried making that, but I took the time to iron out the pieces, to make sure pieces were cut, or even taking a slow time on the sewing machine. And that turned out way more successful, and I'm way more happier with the second try. And so this is how it looks. It's still not perfect. There's definitely things that I would do differently if I tried again, but it was fun, and it didn't turn out as bad as I thought. Like, it's something I can still end up wearing, so that's a good thing. If I were to give myself a rating of this experience, it was fun. I give that an 8 out of 10, but in terms of how well I did, I give myself a 5 out of 10, because I definitely could have skipped the first part of messing up and having to restart if I just actually followed the steps and not rushed. But other than that, if there's one thing to take from this video, it's to try again. Try that hobby that you guys picked up earlier in the year, or whatever part of your life, and see if you still have a strong interest in it, because you only keep on learning every time you keep doing it. And so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and put on that notification bell just to see whenever we post. And also follow our socials. Our Instagram is at 10.out of.10, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.